We are here with Kelly Mortensen, the big hot.
What's up? Peace out, dude. How y'all doing, man?
So there's a tornado right across there. You can see it building up.
And like 400 people have already died in the last 7 minutes.
Yeah.
We're running from it. Let's go.
Yeah, we're running from it. It's
Okay.
that way.
Look at the mountains up in front of us, too, dude. They just dumped 27 inches on those kids over there, dude. 900 people died over there.
Yeah, it was really scary.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Look at that bird running away.
Yeah, he's
that bird
running.
was scared.
It's a really bad.
It's a really bad one.
The end of the world's coming, guys. We're sorry. We're sorry. Get your hand out of here, son. I think the end of the world's coming, guys.
It is. We're close.
It is.
We're very close.
Because Kelly Mortensen, he did something bad. He started this tornado. We bred our dog.
Oh, what happened? Oh, those aren't mountains.
Look at those magic mountains.
Look at, oh, that's just an arm. That's not a magic mountain. Holy cow, dude. Boom, 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 boom. Don't, dude, don't, dude. We're driving, dude.
Look
at this guy.
We bred our dog today to a guy named Samson. Not to a guy, but to a dog.
To a guy named Sam. Kid's gonna be all screwed up.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little. It's gonna be
a
a
shepherd.
Yeah, it's gonna be like one of those manticores with like a.
Let me see it just for a minute. Gosh, dude, don't put your mouth on